Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see how many messages I have sent on WhatsApp. We start by opening WhatsApp. After that, click on the three upper points and then on Settings. After this, we enter Storage and Data. Here we are going to click on the Network Usage option. Finally, we will go to the Messages category, and there we will see the number of messages both sent and received. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.